Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord when it does not open on your computer. First, close Discord completely. After that, try opening Discord again. If it still does not open, restart your computer. A simple restart can fix background issues that stop programs from loading. If Discord still does not start, delete the Discord app data folder. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. Type %app data % and press enter. Find the Discord folder and delete it. Then open the run box again and type %local app data %. Delete the Discord folder there too. After this, download and install Discord again from the official website. Sometimes the issue happens because of old cached files. In the run box, type Discord --update and press enter. This forces Discord to check for updates. These steps should help you get Discord working again. Thanks for watching.